Hello friends, a very good morning to all of you. Myself Shrikant Bhardwaj and you all are welcome in Bhardwaj classes. Today we will learn how to pronounce the body parts in German language. So let's start it. Lexion Zex. Now you can also pronounce it like this. Lex on. Lexion. Lexion Zex. That is 6. Now, in this, I will take both the singular as well as the plural form. Okay? Das Hupateil. Das Hupateil. That is the body part. Hupateil. You can pronounce it like this. Hu ha tile. Hupateil. Okay? Now, moving to the plural form. Die Hupateile. Die Hupateile. That is the body parts. Das Gesicht. Das Gesicht. That is the face. Plural form of this, the Gesichter. The Gesichter. Remember, whenever R is at the end, whenever R is at the end of a German word, it will pronounce like A. So, the Gesichter. The faces. Der Bauch. Der Bauch. That is the belly. Die Bauche. Die Bauche. That is the belly. Now, der untere Teil Körpers. Okay? Remember here this word untere. Remember here this word untere, it means lower. It means lower. Teil, here it means part. Des, it means of. Körpers means body. So der untere Teil des Körpers means the lower part of the body. Plural of this, die unteren Körperteile. That is the lower parts of the body. Now, moving to the next slide. In this, we will talk about the different parts of the body. So, let's start. Stern. Stern. Augenbagau. Augenbagau. Auge. See, stern means forehead. Augenbagau means eyebrows. Auge means eyes. Oha. Oha. That is ears. Lippen, lips. Kinn. Kinn stands for chin. Zunge means tongue. Zunge means tongue. Whenever here Z is there followed by a vowel, you will get, it will sound like S. So it is Zunge. San. San, that is your tooth. Wangan. Wangan means cheeks. Nasenloch. Nasenloch means nostrils. Nase. Nase means nose. Augenlid. Augenlid means eyelid. Again, important thing, whenever D is at the end of a word, it will sound like T. Okay? Whenever S is at the end, it will sound like Sa. Ha, ha, that is hair. Cough, cough. Okay? Here we have concentrated on to the body parts located on face. Now, we will see them in detail, and I will take all the singular as well as the plural form along with their proper adjectives. So, the stern, that is the forehead. The sternum, that is the foreheads. The Augenbagau, that is the eyebrow. Die Augenbagauen, that is the eyebrow. Das Auge, that is the eye. Remember, whenever there is E at the end, we need to little bit prolong the sound. Die Augen, the eyes. Das Ohr, that is the ear. The organ, that is the ears. Die Lippe, that is the lip. Die Lippen, that is the lips. Das Kinn, the chin. Die Kiemen, the chins. Die Zunge, the tongue. Die Zungen, the tongues. Now, der Zahn, that is the tooth. Die Sahne, that is the teeth. Die Wange, the cheek. Die Wangen, the cheeks. Die Nase, the nose. Die Nasen, the noses. Das Nasenloch, the nostril. Die Nasenlöcher, the nostrils. Das Augenlid, the eyelid. Lighter, the Augenlider, the eyelids. Das Haar, the hair. Die Hage, that is the hairs. Der Kopf, that is the head. Die Kopfe, that is the heads. Okay, I hope so. Now, moving to the next slide. Now, in the previous one, we have concentrated onto the face. Now, we will concentrate onto the front body parts. So, shoulder, that is shoulder. Again, remember, whenever SCH is together, it will sound like cha. It is PSEP. Elbogen means elbow. Bicep means biceps. Arm, that is arm. Handgelenk, that is your wrist. Tie, that is waist. Bein, bein means leg. Fuß, Fuß means foot. Again, important point to be noted here. This sounds like double S. Okay? As said, it sounds like double S. Say, that is toe. Okay? Knöchel means your ankle. Okay? Knöchel, that is your ankle. Knie, that is knee. Schenkel, that is your thigh. Magen means stomach. Finger means finger. Daumen means thumb. Daumen is used for thumb. Okay? Brust, that is your chest. Now we will do them in detail, that is with their singular as well as with their plural form. Die Schulter, the shoulder. Die Schultern, that is the shoulders.
their biceps, that is the bicep, the biceps, that is the bicep, the biceps, that is the bicep.
Der Ellbogen, that is the elbow. Die Ellbogen, the elbows. Der Unterarm, that is the forearm. Der Unterarm, that is forearm. Die Unterarme, the forearms. Das Bein, that is the leg. Die Beine, that is the legs. Der Fuß, the foot. Die Füße, the feet. Der Zehe, that is the toe. Die Zehen, that is the toes. Okay? Das Handgelenk, the wrist. Die Handgelenke, that is the wrist. Der Knöchel, the ankle. Die Knöchel, the ankles. Das Knie, the knee. Die Knie, the knees. Die Schenkel, the thigh. Die Oberschenkel, the thighs. So die Oberschenkel, that is the thighs. Die Thigh, that is the waist. Die Thigh, that is the waist. Die Taillen, that is the waist. It is a plural form. Plural form of the waist is the Taillen. So it is here waist. Der Magen, that is the stomach. Die Magen, D. Magen, the stomachs. Now, der Finger, der Finger, that is finger. D. Finger, the fingers. D. Finger, the fingers. Der Daumen, der Daumen, the thumb. D. Daumen, the thumbs. D. Brust, D. Brust, the chest. D. Taguhan, D. Taguhan, that is the chest. Now, the body parts that we can name easily from the back side. Hals, Hals. Knikhal, Knikhal, Knikhal. It means actually this part is the back side of your knee. Payaze, Payaze. Wada, Wada.
Gezish, Gezish,
Tie, arm, Gukhan, Gukhan. Now in detail. Der Payaza, D. Payaza, the heel. D. Payazan, the heels. D. Wade, D. Wade, D. Wade. That is, it is the fleshy part of the leg below the knee. D. Waden, D. Waden. It's a plural form, the calves. Das Gesash, Das Gesash, the buttock. The Gesash, the buttocks. D. Tie, D. Tie, the waist. D. Tyan, D. Tyan, the waist. Der Gukhan, Der Gukhan, the back. D. Gukseiten, D. Gukseiten, the backs. D. Knikhal, that is the popliteal fossa. Okay, it is the back side of your knee, nothing to worry. D. Knikhale, that is the popliteal fossa. Der Hals, der Hals, that is the neck. Die Halse, die Halse, the neck. Okay, and this is a sort of the worksheet for you. I hope so that you like this video, and if you understand all the body parts, then you can easily fill it. Okay, it will help you in memorizing the body parts. Thank you very much, and please hit the like button, subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Thanks to all.